In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to claim up to $6,000 in ad credit using the TikTok Ad Manager account. So the first thing you want to do is to use the link in the video description. The link will equally be in my bio. So once you click on the link, it brings you to a page like this where it says grow your business with TikTok ads, and you can claim up to $6,000 using the TikTok for Business or the TikTok Ad Manager platform to start promoting your ad using the partners link in the video description. So once you are here, just go ahead and click on the get started option. And once you click on that, it brings you to this page where you have to sign up using an email or use a phone number, or you can sign up using your TikTok account. So if you have a TikTok account already, you can do this without a TikTok account. But if you have a TikTok account already, then you need to log into the browser you're using to sign up, and then use that TikTok to sign up for your TikTok for Business or TikTok Ad Manager account. Once you click or you fill in this information, your email, password, and then you click on continue, it brings you to this page where it will be asking you for your business details. So you need to input in your business name, your website, the industry. You need to select any category right here, then put in your phone number and click on get started. And immediately your ad account will be created, and you'll be welcome with this message that you can get up to $6,000 in ad credit once you start spending or start running ads using the ad manager account. And you can spend 200 to get back 200. So it means that you are actually running ads all for free if you meet up with the time limit, right? TikTok will give you either 7 days or they will give you up to 30 days to meet up with this criteria of spending $200 and getting back the $200 in full. So within that 30 days, you can promote your business using our step-by-step guide. If you don't know how to use TikTok ad already, then we have put a step-by-step course for you to be able to do that. But if you still need help, right, setting up your ad account and then start running your first ad, we could actually help you do that. All you just need to do is to reach out to us, and then we'll be able to guide you step by step on how to go about that. But if you already know how to do that, use TikTok to promote your business, because a lot of people are getting a lot of sales from TikTok, most especially those selling one product, whether they are using their TikTok shop or they are using Shopify or any other platform, right? You can promote, even run ads to get people call you directly, or run ads to get people send you messages on WhatsApp, or even send you a DM on your TikTok. All of that, we have put a step-by-step guide that guides you on how to go about that, right? So you can run your first ad, spend 200, and then get the 200 back to continue to promote your business. And immediately after that, you want to go ahead and click on tools up here, and then go to account setup, because there are a few setup which we have walked through step by step on how to do to be able to get your ad account up and running. Once you click on that, it brings you to this page where you need to fill in your billing information. So it will ask you for your personal details, your billing information, and you have the option to select either manual payment or automatic payment. With automatic payment, you add your card, and after your ad has delivered, once you reach the threshold or whatever, TikTok is ready to charge your card, they will not charge your card. Or manual payment, you need to manually deposit money into the ad, your ad account, and then you start running ad, and TikTok will be deducting the payment from that manual payment that you've done. And after that, once you fill in those information, your account will be under review, and maybe after a few hours or thereabout, your account will be good to go, and then you'll be asked to verify your business. So if you have a business, if you don't have a business, use your personal details, right? So once the account is verified, you see here where it says good to go, and after that, you need to fill in your business information by just clicking on view verification info, fill in those information, submit them, and your business will be verified. If you don't have a business, just use your personal information to verify your TikTok ad account, and you're good to go. And immediately you can start running ads, and as your ads continue to deliver, you will now start earning the ad credit, which you can then use subsequently to run ads and start making sales online. Go and take advantage of TikTok ads right now. Once again, the link to get this offer right now up to $6,000 will be in the video description, or you can take out our bio for that. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, like, and follow for more. If there are any challenges or any issue, anything you don't understand, use the comment section, and we'll see you in the next video.